It's a blood clot. It's on my rip off.
I drive this box too fast.
Man, right? That shit is crazy. Look at this shit right here too, boy. Pulling out V10. I wear the madness I go on right now. Yeah. What's going on, guys? Back again. Where I deal with it. Yeah, I hope everything's good, everything's blessed. Yeah, I'm working on today is a 08 Honda Accord. It's gonna be a door hinge. We're replacing the door hinge. So yeah, this is it right here. Switch out the door latch, and the door hinge itself is kind of bent too a little bit, so there's like a little adjustment to make sure everything turn out even and balanced when it comes to closing the door and opening it. So the issue is it's not smoothly closing all the way. It's having a little it's catching when you try to open the door. So I'm going to change the lock, adjust the hinge, and see if we can get it nice and smooth, you know? Alright, yeah, so we'll be pulling out this way, you know. These off, this off, pop them out, and then we should be able to lift it up and take it out. Yeah, so. Alright guys, so I finished up the car. Everything is looking good. The doors opening nice and smooth. So yeah, it wasn't a hard task. Just had to know what you're doing. Just the little stuff when it comes to the connections, the cables, and the vacuum line. But other from that, 1, 2, 3 job. You know, another happy customer. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I might end up doing a cool car wash to it. Do a car wash. I don't know if there's something I blur out in it. So yeah, so I'm blurring out. Yeah, so easy peasy. The original issue was the seat belt was caught here, and then the door closed on it. So I believe it bent the latch somewhere in here, and it also bent the hinge. So a lot of times, if that occurs, you would have to flex this back in, just tap it back up or down. You just have to kind of finesse the door to see what direction this went, if it's up or down, and you just tap it back into place. You just have to play with it a little bit, but yeah, that's it. Yeah guys, so I'm also working on the headlights. If you see the headlight, the way they look all foggy, right? So see me work on this one already. Alright, let's see how the difference look like. It look brand new, back to normal compared to that. And that's all. I'll just do the light wet sanding, and then we go back over it with the rubbing compound, the clean cut. It's gonna cut out all the little the plaque and the stains and oxidation and all that good stuff. So yeah, good vibe, you know. Let's see what I'll go on. I'll go finish up the rest of this side and see how it turned out. Alright, cool. Appreciate everything. Thank you for following me, liking my videos. If you continue to like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. You know, why not? You know, give my brother a chance. So all love and respect. You know, we'll catch you on the next one soon. Sooner better than later, yeah? Alright, now stay grounded, yeah? Alright, bless. Like, I don't even know if I was recording straight. I'm gonna say blood clot, it's on my rip off.